The winter mess moving our way continues to develop off to our west here on this Tuesday evening, and you can expect it to bring a wide variety of precipitation as it moves through. It all starts into your Wednesday, so tonight into morning, I don't expect much. In fact, quiet weather and mild temperatures, but it will start with rain showers for your Wednesday, especially into the afternoon. Now, those rain showers will start to mix over to a wintry mix later Wednesday night. I'm talking mainly past midnight into early Thursday morning, and that could be in the form of sleet, freezing rain, or just plain old snow. As those temperatures continue to fall, we'll battle the wintry mix through the day on Thursday, and then it goes over to heavier snow showers again by the time we get into Thursday night and Friday across the entire region. Now, this winter mess is dealing with a lot of moisture that's streaming northward. Big area of high pressure to the north, squeezing in those cold temperatures. And then you look at about between 4,000 and 7,000 feet in the atmosphere, and there's a very warm layer, and that's what's going to help cause that wintry mix of sleet or freezing rain that tries to nose its way right into our region, causing this to be a very sloppy system instead of just going from rain over to snow showers. So the rest of tonight, again, expecting a fairly quiet weather. Tomorrow morning, temperatures will be in the upper 20s to around 30 degrees. I do expect temperatures to warm right back up through the day tomorrow for your Wednesday. In fact, I don't expect many travel problems throughout the day. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s through the afternoon as the rain showers continue to build in through the day into Wednesday evening. And again, still just wet streets out there expected as we continue to see these warmer temperatures around. It's later Wednesday night into Thursday morning. That's when we get into that risk of the wintry mix that moves our way into the start of your Thursday. And I do look for the chance of snow to build in across northwestern Trumbull County as this cold air moves in. Remember, I was talking about that nose of warm air a little higher in the atmosphere. That's going to try to stay across Mahoning, southern Trumbull, down into Columbiana, Lawrence, and Mercer counties, and then it'll try to shift southward as we get deeper into Thursday evening and Thursday night. So that little window of that mixture will continue, especially from around 62 south as we go through the day Thursday, with snow continuing on the northern edge of that up across Trumbull and northern Mercer counties. And that's why there is going to be more snow up in those locations by the time this all wraps up with this wintry mix through Mahoning down into Columbiana County through the day Thursday into Thursday afternoon and evening. Then the coldest air, well, it just continues to pour in as we get into Thursday night, and it'll take this wintry mix and finally shove it south of here and push in more snow as the night goes on into the start of your Friday morning. So looking for the colder temperatures, of course, to continue to build in through Thursday night into Friday morning, with temperatures falling back toward 20 degrees as the snow finally wraps up for us. Now, let's talk about what we're expecting as far as accumulation goes. Now, there is the risk for some icing out there, especially from around 62 south, with a window of sleet across central parts of Mahoning, western Columbiana County, over into Mercer and Lawrence, and even into southern Trumbull County. A light glaze of ice is a possibility here before the snow moves in. Now, that could cause some power outages as it coats some of the power lines or tree branches. Then you put some heavy snow on top of that as the system moves through. Fortunately, there's not a lot of wind with this system. That's going to help us. That's one factor we won't have to deal with too much with this system. As far as sleet goes, I do expect that to accumulate, especially in this dividing area between the heavy snow to the north and the freezing rain off to the south across parts of Mahoning County and western parts and northwestern parts of Columbiana County. As far as the snow, we could see an inch or two of snow by the time we start Thursday morning. Remember, it's all rain Wednesday evening. The transition takes shape into early Thursday morning. An inch or two, especially up into Trumbull and northern Mercer counties. And then as we go through the day and we get into that transition, that mixture of precipitation going back over to snow eventually, those snow totals will start adding up. And I do expect by the time this all finishes, the lightest snow accumulation will be across southeastern Columbiana County, and then it just keeps ramping up to the northwest, where some spots, especially northwestern Trumbull County, have the possibility of seeing 8 to 10 inches or more. Again, we're still keeping a close watch on this storm system. A little wobble with it will make a huge difference on those snow totals or the amount of ice we see, but it is starting to look a little better that the scenario is we're right on the dividing line here. And again, US 62 looks like the main dividing line. So ice accumulation, power outages, still a possibility with this, with that freezing rain, especially across parts of Mahoning County, down into Columbiana County and Lawrence counties. Heavy snow accumulation, that's still there too. And with the rain on top of the wet snow, and then we add the snow, watching for that snow load, that's going to become heavy across some of the structures throughout the region by the time this wraps up into early Friday morning. Of course, we'll continue to update this forecast as the storm moves on through, as new modeling comes in and we get a better handle as the system sweeps through the area.